What's up guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to this new tutorial series on programming in Python for total beginners. So before we get into the real learning, and I gotta make sure some things are totally clear. This is a beginner's tutorial, so if you're someone who doesn't know anything about programming or Python, this is the tutorial series for you. Also, if you know programming in general and want to learn Python, this can help as well. The series is about teaching you the programming basics and fundamentals. After finishing this tutorial, I assure you that you will be able to use these fundamental things to build whatever you want to build. Whether you're building a web application or a game or a mobile app, these basics remain the same. So before we jump in, I also want to clarify the structure of how we're going to do these things. First, I'm going to talk about the introduction about Python, and then we're going to talk about variables and different data types and casting and conditionals and loops and functions and recursion and classes and objects and scopes and modules and file handling. And we're not going to go too deep because we can talk about a lot of other stuff like regular expressions and inheritance and polymorphism and object-oriented programming, but I'm trying to make sure that you learn this and don't just get scared away and quit in the middle of the tutorial. So I'm going to make sure that you stick to the tutorial and finish the tutorial, and then maybe I'll make a follow-on tutorial to discuss the advanced Python programming. And after the tutorial is finished, I am gonna guide you what to do after the tutorial is finished. Now let's talk about community and duration of this tutorial. All the code for this tutorial will be available for you, and we're also gonna have an entire an active comment section where you can share your opinions openly. I was thinking about a Discord chat, and if you guys think that a Discord chat is a good option, then we can definitely do that. I will be uploading 2 new videos every week, and I will do my best to finish this tutorial within a month. Most probably you're watching this in future, so you should be able to finish the whole tutorial in about 2 weeks or a month, depending on how you do it. And yeah, see you soon.